Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday to you guys. I hope we slept well. Thank God for life, thank God for health, thank God for wealth, thank God for making us see the brightness of today. I thank you, Jesus. So today is Saturday, okay, and I wanted to use today as my rest day. But for me to use today as my rest day, I don't need to do like any strenuous workout. That is how the spirit is doing me. If not, one spirit, sometimes the spirit will tell me lie down on the bed and sleep. Then sometimes the spirit will tell me if you don't want to do any workout, just walk around your house or your compound. So that is the spirit telling me today to walk around my compound. So that is what I'll be doing. I'll just walk around a little while and I will go back in because I have a lot to do today being Saturday. So what form of activity do you do on Saturday? Do you go to the gym? Do you go hiking? Do you go group workouts? Do you go to the market? Going to the market is also another form of activity. Do you do house chores? Let me know in the comment section the one that you do. For me, I do all of the above, but except hiking, except going to the gym. But workouts, going to the market, cooking, or doing house chores, that's me. So let's get right into it. So before then, this is how I prep up for my workouts. Yeah. So now we are all prepped up. This is what I usually do. I walk round our compound. Yes, I walk round. It can be 5 times, it can be 6 times, and that way I can go back to do what I want to do. So this is what I usually do. My neighbor, they go down tire for me, but this is life. This is life. You need to keep fit. You need to keep fit. It's very, 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 very important. So just do brisk walking around your house. That is another form of workout. If you don't need to go out the road or you don't have a very big compound, you can do like how do they say it? Walking this thing inside your room, or you walk from one edge to another, so that you won't have any excuse to give and say that you did not work out. No, I don't want excuse at all. You shouldn't do excuse. We need to be fit. Okay? Let's do this. Please remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share, and let's do this. Yeah. Hey, you said small walking, now you are running. You know, do you again? So I have gone like 5 times round the compound. Why am I having bass voice? I have gone like 5 times round the compound, and I can say that my body is thanking me for it. So if you haven't moved, try and move. If you haven't subscribed, try and subscribe. You know, go, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. It's weekend. Now I'm talking to myself. It's weekend. In this weekend, and if you go for one bed and they give you 2 puff, eat 1 and leave 1 for them. If they give you 3 scoops of jollof rice, eat 2 and leave 1. Please and please, we need to watch what you eat. You need to watch what you eat in order to achieve weight loss and belly fat. This belly fat, we must burn them. Don't want to waste this thing. We must burn them. LOTANNA. You need to go and bath. You didn't say good morning, people. Look here. You're stressing. Say good morning, guys. Say hi. Mommy. Otto. What is that? No, leave it. Say hi, guys. This born shakaria the too much because the last born shift one. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Bye.